Hey everyone, welcome back to GearStorm, the place where we explore the most exciting cars that push boundaries while honoring tradition. Today we're diving into something that will make enthusiasts' hearts race, the return of the Corvette C4 for 2026. Chevrolet has taken inspiration from one of the most iconic eras of Corvette history and reimagined it with modern engineering, blending retro styling with cutting-edge performance. From the front, the 2026 Corvette C4 makes a bold first impression. The long, flat nose and pop-up headlights are gone, but designers have cleverly paid tribute with slim LED units that mimic the classic shape while keeping things modern. The low, wide stance screams performance, with a sharp splitter and wide grille openings for cooling the mid-mounted engine. Aerodynamic vents carved into the hood and fenders aren't just for show, they channel air efficiently to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. Along the side, the C4 Revival stays true to the Corvette's heritage. The wedge-shaped profile is unmistakable, with sweeping lines and muscular fenders that give it an aggressive yet elegant silhouette. Large air intakes behind the doors hint at the power plant within, while lightweight forged wheels wrapped in performance tires sit under flared arches, signaling track-ready intent. The proportions remain balanced, staying faithful to the classic C4 spirit but with a futuristic twist. Inside, Chevrolet has made sure the Corvette feels every bit as special as it looks. The driver-focused cockpit is wrapped in leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, blending luxury with performance intent. The seating position is low and sporty, with deep bolsters to hold you in place during spirited driving. A fully digital instrument cluster displays everything from performance data to customizable driving modes, while the central infotainment system integrates seamlessly with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Chevy's latest performance telemetry software. It feels modern yet keeps the simple, focused nature that made the original C4 stand out. At the rear, the Corvette delivers an unmistakable look with quad LED taillights that nod to tradition while adding a futuristic glow. A large diffuser and dual exhaust outlets emphasize performance, while the sculpted rear decklet integrates an active spoiler that adjusts based on speed and driving conditions. It's a design that honors the past while looking straight into the future. Under the hood, or rather, behind the seats, sits a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 producing around 550 horsepower, with an optional twin-turbocharged variant pushing closer to 700. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and rear-wheel drive, the new C4 rockets from 0 to 60 in just about 3.2 seconds, delivering supercar-level performance. Adaptive suspension, precision steering, and advanced traction systems make it equally thrilling on track and composed on the road. Pricing for the 2026 Corvette C4 is expected to start around $80,000, with high-performance trims stretching well past $100,000. It positions itself as an affordable supercar that combines nostalgia with modern performance. That's the 2026 Corvette C4, a revival that proves legends never die, they just evolve. Would you take this over European rivals like the Porsche 911 or BMW M4, or does the Corvette still reign supreme in your eyes? Let me know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to GearStorm for more reviews of the most thrilling cars on the planet.